बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इससे पहले हम AJKPSC से मुतल्लिक़ पेडागोजी की वीडियो बना चुके हैं और कैबिनेट ऑफ AJK से मुतल्लिक़ आज हम चाइल्ड राइट से मुतल्लिक़ बात करेंगे इस वीडियो में। द यूनाइटेड नेशंस कन्वेंशन ऑन द राइट्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड, commonly abbreviated as the CRC or UNCRC, is an international human rights treaty which sets out the civil, political, economic, social, health, and cultural rights of children. The convention defines a child as any human being under the age of 18, unless the age of majority is attained earlier under national legislation. CRC Convention on the Rights of the Child passed by General Assembly on 20 November 1989, 54 articles, and effective in 2 September 1990 in accordance with Article 49. Convention Rights of the Child held in USA. Right of education mentioned in 1973 Constitution of Pakistan Part 2. Minimum age of free and compulsory education to all children in Pakistan Constitution 1973 5 years. Maximum age of free and compulsory education to all children in Pakistan Constitution 1973 16 years. Rights of education mentioned in Constitution of Pakistan fundamental rights. In Constitution of Pakistan, article mentions the principle of policy about education. Article 37B. Right of education in which article of Constitution of Pakistan, Article 25A. In which amendment Article 25A is included in Constitution of Pakistan 18th Amendment. The state shall provide free and compulsory education from age 5 to 16. World provide free and compulsory primary education and Pakistan position 125th. School going age in Pakistan 3 to 5 years. Infancy period is birth to 2 years. Early childhood period of children is 3 to 5 years. Middle childhood age is 9 to 11 years. Adolescence period of childhood is 12 to 18 years. Kindergarten means children garden. Out of school children in Pakistan 22 million. Pakistan spent GDP on education 2 to 2.5%. Preschool education age 3 plus. RTE right to education. NCHD National Commission for Human Development. Child Protection Advisory Board Islamabad. In Pakistan age 5 to 17 years engaged as a child labor 12%. Rights of children are concerned with child abuse. CRA Child Right Act developed in 2003. Age of toddler in early childhood education is 1 to 3 years. Thank you very much.